of you don't believe in the power of the pink app? In my previous video, I talked about the various ways to make money in TikTok. Yes. And today we are going to be discussing about the pink app. Well, that is not really the name of the app, but because of this app, they compete with each other. That's why we prefer that one as the pink app. And in the pink app, we don't call TikTok, Facebook. We call TikTok the black app. Yes. We call Facebook the blue app. We call WhatsApp the green app. All right. Now, in the pink app, so many people believe that they'll come and tell you it is not the way they tell you, it's the way it sounds. So when you come into the pink app, you will go see shaggy. So I am going to break all those things down in this video. So I advise you watch this video to the end. Remember, it's your girl Gallant Baby. If you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscription button or you follow. Make sure you are liking this video. Make sure you are sharing this video. Make sure you are giving me a comment. All right, you can ask me your question in the comment section and I'll be delighted to answer you. Now let's come back to what we have today, the pink app. What are the ways to make money in the pink app? All right, my darling, one sweetest thing about the pink app is that there is nothing like you must reach up to this amount of followers to make money. No, you can make money with 0 follower. You can make money with 2 followers. You can make money with 1,000 followers. I'm not up to 2,000 followers in the pink app. Since 3 years I've joined the pink app, but I have made more than ₦1 million in the pink app. You're going to ask me how? All right, let's go. One way of making money in the pink app is by live streaming. Yes. Now, in various ways, the app will reward you for live streaming, and also people can gift you. All right, that is one sweetest way of making money. But this reward, the app rewarding you in your live stream is only females. That's why I always say in my video in TikTok, please, if you are a female, you want to make money, DM me. I will teach you how, or go to the link in my bio, check out my WhatsApp number and chat me up. Tell me you are a female and tell me you are interested in the pink app, and I will show you the way ladies make money in the pink app. This is #1 way of making money in the pink app: the live stream reward and the live stream gift. Yes, that is #1 way of making money in the pink app. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you disadvantages of the pink app, how you need to know, why people are always telling you the pink app is difficult, so this. I'm going to be telling you all that in my next video. But in this video, we are talking about how to make money in the pink app, and I've already mentioned #1. #2 is what we call the party tax. Now, in this party tax, when you go to people's live stream and be in their box, when you have completed your 1 hour or your 2 hours, the app will give you some points. These points are worth money. All right, these points are worth money. It might not be too big, it might be small, but it is worth money. It's not something you have to go and like people's video before they can reward you, or you have to go and follow people before they reward you. No, there is nothing like that in the pink money. It's strictly business. Another way of making money in the pink app is what we call PK tax. Yes, PK tax. Now, just like in TikTok, when you play your live stream and you do your live match and you win your opponent, okay, the app, TikTok will not reward you. Yes, but in that particular pink app, when you win your opponent with up to 3,000 points, they would reward you. And 3,000 points is not like 3,000 points in TikTok. No, 3,000 points, that place is just like 300 in TikTok. Yes, that is another way of making money. Now, this one is a secret that nobody knows. It's only me and my friends. That is another way of making money in the pink app. Let me tell you. You remember that the pink app pays in dollars? Yes. Now, do you know that you can use the pink app to save money in dollars? You can use the pink app to save money. Now, what do I mean? Now, assuming dollar is down, the rate of dollar is down, and you have spare money, you can be buying coins and be gifting, like exchanging it. Okay, you gift yourself that coins. Let me just put it that way. You gift yourself that coins. Now, when you gift yourself that coins and you leave it there, you don't withdraw it. Do you know that when dollar gets high, you have enough income, like you have enough benefits? For example, let me take for instance that their dollar is at 1,400 or 1,300. You buy enough coins, you do exchange. Now you leave it there, and now when dollar goes up to 2,000, how much gain are you having per dollar? 700. Assuming you are able to save up to $200, $300, $400, or $500. Now calculate 700 times 400 or 500, depending on how much you are able to save. Not be big money with that. This one is a secret I'm teaching you in case you are doing the pink app and don't know this secret. Better hear it now. You know, people do say it is better to save money in dollars than to save in naira. You might not know that. Another way of making money in the pink app is by referral. That is the way of making money in the referral. But if you don't, this one is optional. It is not something you must do. It is optional. Okay, for example, now, do you know that if you invite somebody to the pink app, the person registered with your own invitation link, especially females, the person completes his or her tax, the app will give you $1. The app will give you 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. Yes. So imagine you invite up to 100 people. Me, I've invited over 300 and something people. Let's say 370 people in the pink app, and these people I have invited, I have earned up to $120. Yes, on them. Not all of them. Remember, not all these people you invited are the people that will complete their tax. Some people might get weary on the road. Yes. Now, I have made over $100 and something just by invitation. Now, when I mean this, when dollar was up to 1,600, calculate 1,600 times 100. You should be over 160,000. Yes, just by invitation. The pink app is paying. I don't know why so many of you think that it is not paying. It is paying. Okay, that is another way of making money in the pink app. Another way of making money in the pink app is by playing games. Yes. Now you will buy coins. Remember that, for example, in TikTok, you will buy coins, use it to gift. Yes, you give it out. You cannot use it by yourself. You have to give it out, yes. Or you can, except you want, if that you use it by yourself, is that you are using it to promote your videos. Like you want to get more views in your videos. Yes, your TikTok coins can do that. If you don't know how to do it, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll answer you, okay, on a separate video. Now, what's in the pink app? If you have money and you buy coins, do you know that this particular coins you buy, you can use it to play game. We have this shooting game. If you know those of you that know this shooting game, we have it in the pink app, and you can use it to win more coins. Okay? Now, also in the pink app, we have a lot of them. We have the one we call slot game. The ones that just like all those websites they used to use and play game, all those slot games, PG games, they have it in the pink app. That is the sweetest part of it. You can use it to win more coins. And now we have the one we call lucky gifts. Lucky gifts are those gifts, we call it gambling in the pink coins, in the pink app. But these lucky gifts are those kind of gifts that when you give it to somebody, you can win back what you give. Because the app is going to take only 4% of that gift and give to the person you are giving. Now, you are likely to win back 20%, 100% of that particular coins you gifted that person. Yes, we call it gambling, okay? All those things are not here in the black app, which is TikTok. They're not in the TikTok app, but you can find it in the pink app. All right? Now, another way of making money in the pink app is by what? People gifting you. Oh, I already mentioned that. So, my darling, there are many ways of making money in the pink app. A lot and a lot of ways, but you people are not applying the right way. Some of you rush the app too much, and at the end of the day you rush out. Okay, in my next video I am going to be telling you those things you should know when doing the pink app, those things you should avoid, because there is a lot of things that if you're not careful with. Like, for example, let me just give you one. In the pink app, you can only have one account. Not like in the TikTok app that you can have like 20 TikTok accounts. And TikTok will accept that. The pink app doesn't accept it. They only accept one account. And that is why in your registration in the pink app, you have to do what we call face authentication. Like, they verify your face, just like when you are opening your online banking. All right? So that is just one thing. So in my next video, I'm going to tell you things to avoid, things that make you lose your money, and a lot of things I'm going to be exposing in my next video. So watch out for it. If you have watched this video up till now and you are not yet following, subscribing, and liking this video, you are wrong. You are wrong. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you like this video, all right? And don't forget, if you're interested in the Pink app, make sure you DM me or just check around this video or check around my bio. You are going to see my WhatsApp number, all right? Chat me on WhatsApp. That men can still make money in the Pink app, not only ladies, because there are a lot of men that are agents in the Pink app. They make millions, thousands of money every day. They play games, they win. All you need to do is just chat me up and tell me you are interested in the Pink app, and I'll be delighted to walk you through.